Hi, everyone. This is Hope with the Real Estate Inspection Company. If you work with condos or townhomes, you need to hear this. Deck and balcony inspections are now required for any structure with 3 or more dwelling units that have elevated exterior elements like decks, balconies, or walkways. Here's the challenge. The inspection must cover at least 95% of all units in the complex, and it must be ordered by the HOA, not by an individual homeowner or agent. That's creating a lot of frustration for agents, especially when deals are on the line. The only solution is to have the HOA order a proper deck and balcony inspection and have it signed off by an architect or engineer. If the report comes back clear, the deal can move forward. But if repairs are needed, the process could take months, potentially derailing the sale. So, what should agents do? If you're a listing agent, confirm the inspection has been done as soon as you take the listing. If you're a buyer's agent, make the offer contingent on the seller providing the inspection report. And remember, the real estate inspection company is fully qualified to perform these inspections. We can work directly with HOAs to get these reports completed quickly and correctly, helping you keep your transactions on track. Don't wait until escrow falls apart. Reach out to the real estate inspection company today, and let's make sure your next condo deal closes smoothly.